Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by creating a new Keynote file and choosing a template that matches your goal. Pick 16:9 for widescreen. Once created, import your assets, images, logos, and any custom fonts so everything is available. Next, lay out a quick outline of your major sections as slides. This keeps pacing consistent. Make sure to name the file and turn on auto-save if available. These first actions get you into a working flow and prevent layout backtracking later. You now design slides using master layouts to keep styles consistent. Edit one master to update many slides. Once done, add text blocks and image placeholders, then set alignment and spacing so slides read fast. Use animations only where they clarify. Adjust build order and duration to avoid distracting speed. Also, add presenter notes and internal links for navigation. These help during delivery. Make sure to preview full screen frequently so timing and visual hierarchy feel natural. You finish by previewing in play mode and rehearsing your timings out loud. Refine any slide that feels cluttered. Once satisfied, export to the format you need: PDF for handouts, PowerPoint for sharing, or MP4 for uploading. Save a backup copy with versioning. If something breaks, missing fonts, odd spacing, or failed exports, reopen the master slide, replace the font, or duplicate and rebuild the troubled slide. Restart Keynote if issues persist. This quick recovery keeps your deadline intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.